Hi guys, it's Chloe here from the Chloe Bruce Academy. Today I have teamed up with Dumbbell brand Friar to bring you a quick 5-minute workout. However, before we get started with the workout, I just want to show you these beauties and how impressed I am when I receive these. They have recently won the Contemporary Good Design Award for their product, appearance and also their function. Let me show you why. They come in a range of colours. This is the blue pair, this is the orange, and then we also have a grey pair here. And what you can see that I've done here is use some of the extra weight plates from the blue dumbbell and interlink them with the grey one just to bulk up the weight to a heavier weight. And the design of these is absolutely phenomenal. All you do is press the button on the end, twist, and the end cap comes off. And to put it back on, twist, and it goes back on. And that's exactly the same for each plate moving down the dumbbell. Every single one of these weighs 0.5 pounds also. So pretty much if you have 2 sets of these dumbbells, you're good to go. You can go from a range of 1 kilograms all the way up to 5 kilograms. And the design, like I said, is just incredible. I have left the link to the Friar dumbbells in the description below, and I highly recommend you check them out. They're one of the most cleverly designed dumbbells I've ever come across, and they're just so comfortable to use. They have a rubber exterior, which is really good to keep your grip nice and firm, and also for comfort whilst working out. So I'm going to stop talking now and get on with today's workout. Grab yourself a pair of dumbbells. Doesn't matter which weight they are, you choose. Also, if you don't have any, please pick up a bottle of water, a tin of beans, anything you can find lying around the house. And let's get going with today's 5-minute workout. So for the first exercise, I want you to place your hands like this, palms facing you or wrists facing you, and the dumbbells are going to be touching. From here, we're going to turn the wrist, so the wrist is facing forwards, and then punch straight up in the air, nice straight arm above you, come back down. And then alternate side, up, and then back. You can be seated or standing for this, it really doesn't matter. Let's go, 30 seconds. Perfect. Now the next exercise that we're going to do is hold the weights out directly in front of us. We're like punching out. We're going to come wide and then back. Now when you're doing this, try not to come past your horizontal plane. So you just want to come here, nice straight line, in line with your shoulder, and then back again. Also try not to have too much of a bend in the arm. You want to keep that arm nice and straight, so that you're gaining the most out of this exercise. Let's go, 30 seconds. Good. For this next exercise, I've upped the weight slightly, so I've added more plates to the end, and I'm doing an upright row. So, slight bend through the knees, feet around hip width apart, hinge forward at the hips slightly, and we're just going to place our dumbbells touching at the bottom. We're going to bring our arms up, aiming to get our dumbbells up towards your chest, down. Let's go. 30 seconds. For this next exercise, I'm going to increase the weight into one dumbbell only. So I'm going to take the end plate off. And we have this bad boy. So we're going to take it behind us, over our head, hinge at the elbows, so we're holding it in two hands behind our head, like so. From there, we're just going to raise up to straighten the arms and then coming back down, really working into the triceps. Okay? Let's go. 30 seconds. Coming down low, so come down onto your backs for me. Get there nice and slowly, in your own pace. And we're going to take our body up, so pushing through the soles of the feet into a bridge pose. So hips nice and high, and then we're going to bring our weight to the side of our body. Good. So these should be either side of your chest. And then from there, we're just going to push up, touch at the top, and then come back down, okay? And again, touch at the top, come back down. Are you ready? 30 seconds. Let's go. Good. So you're getting a full body workout here, guys. Really tense through the glutes and the hamstrings, and at the same time you're getting a nice core workout and upper body at the same time. Very nice. Okay guys, let's go with the last exercise of today's workout. Keeping it short and sweet, but also hoping that you felt the burn and the positive impact it's had on your body working out with me today. Take your weights to the side of the body like so. Elbows nice and tight, in against the side body. And what we're going to do is punch out. So as you come out with that weight, twist the hand over so that the top of the hand is facing upwards, and then come back. So we're doing a punch, back, okay? Good, let's go. Join me for the last 30 seconds of today's workout. Ready, and 3, 2, 1, let's go. Good stuff, guys. Keep it going, last 20 seconds. Brilliant. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Huge congratulations, you have completed today's dumbbell workout courtesy of Friar dumbbells. Like I said, the link is in the description below, guys, so make sure you check it out. These are a great piece of training equipment, especially for you ladies out there. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. I've got great video content coming your way. Take care, guys, train hard, and I'll catch you next time. Goodbye.